Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the IC 4017 IC, which is very important IC, which has many application. And this project we have used IC 4017 for solving or marking the MCQs. This IC has designed in such a way that we can solve the MCQs of 10 questions or more than 10 questions, up to 100 questions can be solved from it. For example, it is a simple multi-choice questions paper. It may be of any subject. For example, question number 1, name, the dash dash. There are 4 options A, B, C, D. Only one option is right. Question number 2, where is dash dash, A, B, C, D. 4 options are there, and the 4 options only one will be right. And this way we can make question paper, multiple choice question paper of any subject. Here the circuit has been designed in such a way that we have the 4 options, and the 4 options have 4 buttons. For example, this first button is for A, second button is for B option, and then the third button is for C option, and fourth button is for D option. This circuit is designed in such a way that we have the answer key of the question. For example, question number 1, answer key is D, question number 2, answer key is C, question 3, answer key is D, and 4, answer key is A, 4, 5 is B, 4, 6 is C, 4, 7 is A, and 8 is A, 9 is B, and 10 is B. So this is the correct answer key. And here we have 2 counters. First counter, this will show the marks obtained by the student, and this counter, telecounter, tells us about the question number, that which question is going to on. And here we have different 4 transistors and 4 optocouplers are used, and diodes are used, LEDs are used here. As you can see, we can change position like that. This one, it change the position. First we have to reset the system, like here. Press this button to reset the system. Now it is now reset, and reset the both marks 1 and question number. Now here is the circuit diagram of the IC 4017 IC, application of 4017 IC. Here we can see this is the circuit diagram. Transistors are used here, the optocouplers are used for optocouplers. Diodes are, these are the 4 switches A, B, C, and D. We can apply it, works upon 12.5 volt to 6 up to 12 volt it can work. So let's start the demonstration of the circuits, how it works. First, let's check the key. If a student solve a question paper, answer a question paper correctly, how much marks it will gain? First, for example, question 1, D is right. For example, question number 1, D is right. And first, 1 question has been solved, and mark is 1. You can see already position has changed. Then for question 2, C is right. Where is the C? Press C. 2 questions solved, we got 2 marks. And for third, D is right. This was the D. D is right. And question 4, A is right. Question 4, A is right. 4 questions have been solved. You again 4 marks. And question 5, B is right. Press B. And question 6, C is right. Question 6, C is right. Sixth question has been solved. Question C. And for 7, A is right. For 8, again A is right. And for 9 and 10, B is right. With the press B twice this way. So 10 question has been solved and the student gained 10 marks. It means it is right and it is working well. Now let's solve the question paper which has been solved by the student 1. For this is the answer sheet solved by the student. We have to check by the system, by the circuit. Student number 1, for D, question 1 is A and 2 is C, 3 is D, D, C, D. So first we have to reset the system this way. Reset one this, reset one marks question number, and reset the whole IC. Now let's solve. Question 1 is D, then C, then D. So D, C, D, then A, B, A, A, B, A, A, B, A, then A, B, B, C, A, B, B, C. 10 questions have been solved. How much mark the student got? Only 8 marks. So easily we can write 8 divided by 10. So it has been checked by the circuit. Now it's turn of the second student. It is, we then again reset this one, reset other counter and reset there. Then student 2 is C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, then C, D, C, A, C, D, C, A, C, D, C, A, then C, B, C, B. So this student got only 2 marks. So we can write 2 upon 10. It has been solved. Again reset this one, counter, question number and marks, reset them. For next question, for next student paper, this is student number 3. He is selected for question number 1 D option, and for question 2 C1, for question 3 which here the question paper you can see. Question number 1 D, question 2 C. We can say it is answer is D, C, D, B. So D, C, D, B, D, C, D, B. Then A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, then D, B, D, B. So 10 question has been solved. This student got obtained 4 marks. You can write 4 divided by 10. Test number 4. And this way we can check many questions. Reset again easily. CCAA. Question 0 mark 0. CC, CC, TA, CC, TA, then BAA, BAA, AA, BAA, then BBC, B and C. 10 questions have been solved and marks obtained are 6. So we can write 6 divided by 10. So in this way we can check question paper of many question paper of 100 question paper, and we can make question paper of 100 questions by using the simple 4017 IC in circuit which has been designed in such a way that we have the key. We can change the key by changing the wire from here to here, from there to there. In this way we can change the key, and this is the circuit diagram, and it's a very interesting system for examination, because we are using the word method of MCQ checking, or we are using computerized system of OMR machines, but it's simple circuit designed so that this kind of circuits may increase the interest of the students and their creativity and designing of the circuits, and they can understand the importance of the circuits. So it's a creativity. So this kind of creativity should be done, and the colleges and students to improve their thought thinking, their critical thinking, their critical activities and critical thoughts, critical thinkings. And so thank you for watching our video. I think it's enough for today. Thank you for watching.